Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make all photos private on Facebook. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the Facebook application on your Android and iOS, and then you need to tap on your profile image at the top right here, and then here you need to tap on the gears option at the top right next to the search option, and this will basically opens up the Facebook settings. Okay, and then after this you need to basically come into this tab where it says audience and visibility, and from here you just need to click on profile and tagging. Okay, so just click on this one, and the key thing here is to basically set all of these to only me. So the first thing is who can post on your profile, so you have to change it from friends to only me, like this one. Okay, so you have to basically do all of this. Okay, you have to set all of this to only me. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.